costume, or at least for me to do this costume, because maybe you already have some of these items, you don't have to buy everything. You're going to need some jeans, a white button-up shirt, cow print fabric, red, the almost very thick, not so thin yarn. I'm gonna call it trim, decorative trim, not a ribbon. I will be using the slick golden yellow fabric paint, as well as a hat, and this is a heartfelt hat, and a belt. And the fun part about this costume, because I didn't want it to buy the costume that they already were selling, because it was like a kind of like a onesie kind of costume, really cheap Halloween costume, and I just didn't want that one because I had to like pull it up, and Luna will not be comfortable for her birthday, because this is her birthday costume. I guess you can use it for Halloween as well, but look, there it is, my model Jessie. Let me fix that up. Look at that. Hey, Luna. She's showing off her hair. She has Jessie here. Yes. Mija. So here's the pants, little belt. This is like an actual belt that it was mine. Jessie here has a bull. She has a horse, but you get the thing. And then we have her that I sew on her cow things over here, and right here is her boots. We have a little bit of malfunction because we can't find the other boot, but you can see Jessie almost covers her whole foot, her whole boot, so when she walks she's actually going to flap it. And then Mommy, we have the shirt. I hot glue all the little embellishment. Look at, show your arm. And then we have the hat. Yeehaw! Yalehi-hoo! Now turn around. And then around we have the pull string that Jessie has. And then of course her her braid. Just like so. Yeah. So right here I just made like her a braid and then tag it with her hair, with her own hair. I might like glue it to the hat, but we're not sure. But that's how it is. Yeehaw! That is how you do the Jessie costume for Halloween or for a birthday party like we are, because Luna's gonna have a Jessie birthday party, right?
There's a party.
Yes. Birthday party.
Mommy,
Look.
what is it?
Yeah, you like it?
Like it.
I like it. High five. Yes. Yorle-hee-hoo. Okay, turn around just for 1 second. Alright, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys like my DIY Jessie costume. Hey, we'll see you next time on another video on another day. Yorle-hee-hoo.